Now we're testing the main purpose of the boost controller, which is to convert the 12 volts across the bus to 14.4 volts to charge the battery. So to simulate the voltage across the bus, we're connected its input to a 12 volt power source, and then we are measuring the output voltage across the resistive load to check if we're getting that 14.4 that is required. So now we're gonna set the voltage to 14.4 in our code and check the status. So as you can see, our input voltage is 12 volts and our output voltage is 14.4 as expected. So right now we're going to test the boost controller, and we're going to test the safety limit for power on it, which we're going to set to 15 watts. And we're going to vary the input current to change our input power to see if we hit our safety limit. So we're going to start at 0.5 amps. So you see that we hit 0.5 amps, and that gives us about 6 watts. So we're not really close to our limit yet. So we're going to set the input current to 1 amp and see what happens. So we're at about 1 amp right now and 12.8 watts. So we're still not at our limit. So let's go do a bigger jump in our input current, and let's set it to 2 amps input and check out what happens. So as you can see, we didn't reach the 2 amps and we went above 15 watts. So our safety limit did kick in for the power. So we're just going to test the safety features on our system. So we set a current limit to 0.15 amps, and we're going to play around with the power to see when the safety limit kicks in. So we're just going to turn our system on by setting the power to 2 watts. So right now our current is at 0.09 amps. So we're gonna increase the power so we can increase the current while keeping our input voltage constant. So let's set it to 3 watts and see what happens. And now we see the current increase to 0.13, but we still haven't reached our limit. So let's increase power to 4 watts and hopefully our limit will kick in. And as you can see, our current limit kicked in and we did not reach 4 watts and did not go above 0.15 amps.